Hello everyone. So we are here lecture 1 of image processing. So what is digital image processing? So according to the definition, digital image processing means processing digital image by means of a computer. That means that we are processing an image through a computer or some software. We can also say that is use of computer algorithms in order to get enhanced images to extract some useful information. And by using these computer algorithms or softwares, we can extract or we can gather useful informations from these images. Now come to phases of image processing. What are the phases of image processing? There are several phases of image processing. So suppose this is our knowledge base. So we will start from image acquisition. Now what image acquisition is? So basically image acquisition is related to capturing an image and do digitization of it. Now in the next step, image enhancement. Image enhancement is basically the simplest and most appealing areas of image processing. It is also used to extract some hidden details from an image. Basically we use two cases: spatial, which is related to timestamp, and frequency domain, which is related to frequency. The next step is restoration of an image. Restoration of an image is related to some mathematical or image degradation theory. Basically we remove the noise particle from an image so that we can recover that image. Next step is color image processing. Color image processing deals with the color models, of the image. After color image processing, the next step is multi-resolution processing. Multi-resolution processing is a way to representing an image in its various degrees. Next step is compression. Image compression involves developing some functions to perform this operation. It mainly deals with image size, or resolution of image. Okay, and next step is morphological processing. Morphological processing deals with the edges or boundary of the images, or extracting useful components. We can also use morphological processing. Next step is segmentation. Segmentation, or we can say partitioning of an image into its constituent parts like pixel. So segmentation related to segmentize of image for getting more brief information about that. Next step is representation or description. It follows the output of segmentation stage. Choosing a representation is only the part of solution for transforming the raw data into processed data. Whatever the raw data we get from segmentation, we will process it and describe it. So this phase is for describing the data which we get from segmentation. Next and the last step is object recognition. Object recognition is a process which assigns, you can say, label, or in simple way we can say object recognition is comparison of pattern which is standard which we have to compare with what we captured. Which type of image we get, we will compare it and will recognize the object. Thank you.